And KSI, you are no longer the CEO of Misfits Boxing. You have been relinquished of your duties as CEO. We need a new CEO. A CEO who's going to dedicate their life to this brand. A CEO who's going to fight for this brand in the ring, out the ring. And that CEO is here. Please welcome our new CEO.
Say hello to your new CEO. I wouldn't say it was a hostile takeover, but it was certainly planned. And Mams and I are going to be working together to finally put Misfits where it belongs on the world stage. The largest disruptive force in sports entertainment history. So considering that somebody who failed at their obligations to make this organization as big as it should have been has been ousted, and I'm the new CEO, I guess it's my job to make the most entertaining fights. Who's the person who everybody wants to see fight? Who's the guy I can sign that everybody will tune in to watch fight? It's me. Isn't that convenient? Quite easy. I heard he's a great guy, easy to work with. So for that reason, I myself am going to be fighting as CEO on the next Misfits show, December 20th, here in Dubai. And if I'm going to fight, I mean, it's been a while. If I'm going to train and get in there, I may as well do it for a belt. And if it's going to be for a belt, it may as well be for the biggest one. So I, as CEO, order a mandatory title defense for the heavyweight Misfits belt between myself, Andrew, the top G, King Cobra Tate, against Chase D'Amore. You don't have a chance and you don't have a choice, Chase. You have to do it. It is mandatory. So I strongly recommend you train. You may be younger than I am. You may be more active. You may be bigger. But everybody has a plan until they're punched in the face.